As one of the leading consulting firms, you will understand that insurance companies are increasingly recognizing the need to replace outdated legacy systems with modern cloud-native platforms to enhance market share and profitability. IBSuite, provisioned in the cloud by IBA, is the perfect core insurance platform for both innovative insurers pursuing new opportunities and established insurers looking to boost efficiency and operational control. Our proven implementation estimation model supports your transformation consulting by providing accurate insights and help secure investment budgets and drive project success. We invite you to collaborate with IBA and discover how IBSuite is delivering business value for industry leaders such as Zurich Financial Service and innovators like ManyPets. Contact us today to explore how we can support your consulting engagement and add value to your clients' insurance transformation projects.